Hi, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I want to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website, you can get more exposure on Google. You can actually outrank your competition, and of course, can get more patients. So let's start here with your website. And the first thing that I have to strongly suggest is to add more relevant content. And when I say content, I'm talking about more about the text that your website has. When you add text, you should include keywords that you're going to be found for example, state college chiropractor or chiropractor state college PA, things like that, so you can actually get people into your website. So content is very important because Google analyzes your website and they read. So if you include, like I said, keywords like this, you're actually telling Google that you want to be found for that specific keyword, and that's a huge help. Now, that being said, I want to show you some numbers from this tool that I use. So it's called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So you can see that you're not being found for any keywords. That means that your backlinks are not really helping you, and you don't have anything relevant. I'm sorry, anything relevant going on, especially here on the homepage. So it's very difficult for Google to understand what keywords you want to be found for. So that being said, um, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website or your business, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google. Think about like a popularity contest, right? The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. Same concept applies here with backlinks, with difference that not all links are created equal. You can be found, you can have thousands or hundreds of links, and if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keyword that you should be including here in your text content, you're not going to see the result that you want, and you're probably not going to have any benefits, right? So that being said, if I go to Google and type state college PA chiropractors, the first thing I see here is the map section. And if you have a profile, it needs to be optimized, of course. Then you have your organic results. Number one, we have this Nitan Valde chiropractic.com. Then you have number two, chiropractic state college, family chiropractic.com. Number three, Yelp. So let's see why these guys are ranking number one and what are the benefits of being here. So if we open their website, you can see that they have a lot of things going on. Images, not really text, but still considered content. And then they have a little bit of here information. They have more information here, so that's probably helping them. And if we look at the numbers on their website, they've been found for 323 keywords, and they have 324 backlinks. So um, based on this, you can see that they're not really powerful because this rating is very, very low. But let's take a look and see the keywords that are being found for. So let's see, chiropractor, state college family chiropractic. That can be one, but not really. State college chiropractors here. So there's 20 searches a month, and the ranking number one, they're getting nothing really here. So let me just filter this. So going back, state college PA chiropractors, the one that we just saw on Google. There's 20 searches a month because they're ranking number one. They're getting 6 straight visits to their website. If you ask me, those are 6 chances each month that they get to have a new patient. And you have different keywords depending on what areas you want to cover, what areas you want to show. Um, when somebody is typing for a chiropractic near them or things like that. So, but for the purpose of the video, I don't want to take too much of your time. So, basically, what you need is to improve your content. You need to improve your text content. You need to include keywords, and you definitely need to improve your link. So make sure they're really good quality. Make sure they're once you improve the content, they're targeting the correct keywords, and then you're going to see the results in a short period of time. Once again, my name is Alex. I really hope you find this information useful. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.